Well, greetings from the sales floor of Ellingson Motorcars here in Rogers, Minnesota, northern suburb of Minneapolis, Minnesota. Today we're going to talk about a very rare Model A that we just got in, a special delivery Woody. Tell you what, you're going to want to check it out. Just stay with us. We'll be right with you shortly. Well, greetings from the sales floor of Ellingson Motorcars here in Rogers, Minnesota, northern suburb of Minneapolis, Minnesota. Today we're going to talk about our latest acquisition, and I'll tell you what, I don't think I've hardly ever seen one of these. It's a 1931 Model A, lots of Model A's made, remember 3.5 million of them, but how many 1931 Model A A255 special delivery Woodies did they make? 900. That's all they made from all the years of Model A's. So talk about a rare vehicle. Now, boy, you're going to want to watch this entire video so you can really appreciate all the quality workmanship, the woodwork and everything that was done to this car. Now, you can click on the link in the description as well. It'll take you right to our website, and you have access to the pricing and the rest of the information on this vehicle as well, plus access to over 100 specialty vehicles that we currently have in inventory on the sales floor. Odds are, if there's been a car you've been dreaming about or thinking that you really want to have, Ellingson's may have that dream car sitting right on our sales floor, and you could have it in your garage next week. Anyway, let's get back to this one. And oh, by the way, remember our website being www.ellingsonmotorcars.com. Just want to make sure you remember that. Nope, this is one of those vehicles that really was done to an exceptionally high level. And as I mentioned earlier, they made a total of 900 of them through the total production run of Model A's. Beautiful Manilla Brown paint on this car with the black fenders. Very commercial, if you will, I mean, of what trucks and vehicles were at that time. They were all custom bodied, made with the wood and whatnot. Here was a nice little option right here. They put the side mount on this side and the wide white wall tires. Just gives it that little extra class, if you know what I mean. Standard Model A motor, the 4-cylinder, 200 cubic inch, little 4-cylinder, hooked up to the 3-speed manual transmission, floor mounted. You know, something that is really neat about Model A's is almost anybody can drive them. They're really a simple vehicle. With so many being made, it really makes parts availability. All that stuff is really great. And mechanically, it's a little easier to deal with than some of those more high-end crazy V12s, V16s, or some of those other motors that were out there. For those of you looking for your first collector vehicle, Model A is a really good choice. No, it is just an exceptionally well done car. Beautiful chrome work. Love the Auga horn, of course. And of course, it even has the commercial type mirror on the side here. But just the quality of the woodworking and whatever on this car is just exceptionally nice. You'll really want to watch, like I say, the video from start to finish, because we'll do all the highlights and we'll do more of the details of the interior and everything on this vehicle. It really is exceptionally nice. Now, I'm just taking a look at the inside. Again, like I said, very simplistic. I mean, back in the day, you know, they got the black vinyl seats in the front here. It was a Spartan vehicle in terms of accessories because, you know, it is, you know, a commercial vehicle. Does have the tilt-out front windshield, your air conditioning in 1931, and the gas tank is still located up on the top of the firewall up there, up on the cowl. You know, just one of those things. It's just, I just really find it an interesting idea that Ford came up with. In commercial stuff, I mean, it was all, you know, utilitarian. I mean, they really wanted to use this for what it was intended for, and it really is neat with the 2 opening back barn doors or whatever, all wood in there and whatnot. You could haul a lot of stuff in a vehicle like this, and that was something that, you know, you were trying to use that commercial aspect for in 1931. Now, you can find all of our stuff on Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, and now even TikTok as well. Give us a like, leave us a comment, or subscribe. We appreciate it a lot. Plus, you'll get lots of entertainment and enjoyment out of it. You know, it's something, if you got time to peruse the internet, check out those sites. They're really neat. No, a Model A, I just love, like I said, the woodwork, the look at the roof and stuff. Everything is done to a very meticulous level, and it was a special thing to make at that time. And it's, you know, it's not the, it is the special delivery. So you just have roll-up windows and no side windows whatsoever. I'm sure it was utilized for advertising purposes, put their names on the sides or whatever, and there you go. No, isn't that nice? I mean, these wide white walls, to me, just really, really set this vehicle off. So yes, I know you love the videos and whatnot, very informative, but you know, if you're like me, I want to see it in person. We'd love to have you come to Ellingson Motorcars in person. We are open Monday through Friday from 10 to 5 and Saturdays 10 to 4 as well. For those of you who want to come and make sure, yeah, that is a real car. It is on the sales floor. Everything on our inventory is on our sales floor. That's why you really want to check that website all the time at Ellingson Motorcars to see the most current inventory. We always put the little new arrivals, current inventory and whatnot, because that's where you get our latest and greatest. Sign up for our newsletter. It's always a good thing to get. And our blasts, we send out all that information as well. Now, if you're like me, when you also have a car like this, you probably want to join the local Model A club. I'll tell you what, they are really nice folks, and almost every city in the country probably has a Model A club or whatever. It's just nice to have people that have the same interest. They love the vehicles, they simple. You find Mr. Wrench, as we call him, the guy who can help answer any of those mechanical questions that you have. I mean, we'll do our best on this end. You know, give us a call at 763-428-7337, and we will do our best to answer any questions you have on any of our inventory. It's something that we pride ourselves on, that we try to do a really good job of background and let you know everything is copacetic and everything is working and whatnot. Something that's really unique about having purchased vehicles from Ellingson Motorcars. Now you're going to say, I don't know, I live in California, I live in Texas, how can I get this car? We can help you arrange shipping any place in the country, or for that matter, any place in the world. We've been working on this for almost 30 years, so we've got some good contacts, can help you that way. Also, if you need financing, there are several sources that we use, because a lot of your local banks probably don't know what a 31 Model A special delivery vehicle is. They probably would go, huh, not sure. But you know, we certainly have some sources that can help you. Well, if you're a Model A collector, maybe it's your first old vehicle, maybe it's your 100th, you know, if you want a Model A that, like I said, 900 made, maybe the survival rate is 10% or less. There's not very many of these floating around out there. So if you want to have something really special, we have it right here on the sales floor. Well, thank you again for watching our video. We appreciate it very much. Hope you enjoyed it as much as I do enjoy doing them. See you next time at EllingsonMotorcars.com.